Let's talk about commissioning at GCON for a moment. At the start of every project, the GCON commissioning team will work with the client to ensure that all their requirements are properly captured in the user requirement specification. Then they'll use tools like a requirement traceability matrix to ensure that there's appropriate test cases for all requirements. Working with the client, the commissioning engineers will identify what tests are done at the factory and what tests are done at the client site. It's very easy for our client to leverage our FAT and SAT documentation. Throughout the life cycle of the project, our commissioning engineers work very closely with the client to ensure that our documentation fits nicely within their CQB strategy. In addition to that, we invite the client and encourage them to participate in both factory and site acceptance testing to ensure that we're meeting their expectations and there's no confusion with the documentation. It is our goal to remove any redundant work and ensure that we can help get product to the client as quickly as possible.